Pathfinder 10, Pathfinder Cup, and the old Pathfinder cup holder. So there's my coffee. There's some onion soup. And I used a little bit of Tender Quick and one of Black and White's cotton ball fire starters, and 3 sticks of fatwood. Those little little Pathfinder 10, it's gonna be working pretty good. It hasn't burnt through that I could tell. It hasn't melted, so it's a good experiment. So you see there, you start seeing it bubbling and coming right up to temperature, and still doing really good with that. Not bad at all. So that had some pine pitch on there, so, or you know, the pine sap. That's what you're kind of seeing there, is it just getting hot and melting off. But again, you know, it hasn't melted, it hasn't burnt through, so that wind definitely keeps it going. So I'm going to take that off and put my coffee back on, let it warm back up. But just a simple little stove that you guys can carry with you.